it's Liz from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I am launching my second curated craft box. The one in January went down really well, so I am bringing you another one for February. This will be based around the Delightful Daisy cardstock. So cardstock. Paper! Designer series paper! I have no brain. I apologise. I've not been well and my brain is taking the toll. I have chosen this paper because A, I think it is gorgeous, but also I think it is perfect for Easter and spring and Mothering Sunday or Mother's Day, depending on how you look at it. So I just think it is a perfect choice for this box. Just to get through the dates first, so this will be available to order on up until the 7th of February. I will take orders and payment by the 7th of February. You just email me at liz.yuille@artlover.com. The link for that is immediately below the description bar. It's on my blog. It's pretty much everywhere I am, so yeah. So you email me, tell me you want a box, and I then send you an invoice with the options for payment, and then I need payment from you by the 7th of February. I then order it and get it all boxed up for you. So that's the date to have in mind, although that will be on my blog, which is linked in all the hooby-dooby below. So I only have a tiny bit of this paper, this particular pattern left, because I do love it so much. But these are the papers. Say they're double-sided, they are gorgeous, and I think they are perfect for this time of the year. You will be getting one sheet, but it will be cut so that it's 12 by 6. Two reasons for that. A, it means you'll use it rather than stroke it, but also it helps keep the postage down. The only other alternative would be for me to increase the cost of the box from the very affordable £20 to £21 to pick up the additional cost of the postage. So that's why this is cut in half. If there is a call for 12 by 12 rather than the 6 by 12, then I will look at doing it at £21 for the box, but I would rather keep it at £20 so that you get about £20 worth of product, so effectively the postage and packing is free. So in addition to the papers, you will get 10 of the delicate doilies, which are in white. You will get 10 Whisper White envelopes, and that's the standard metric C6 size, which takes an A6 card. You will get 8 of the Tiny Treats clear gift boxes. These are perfect for putting those little mini Easter eggs in. They come with this film on to protect them, so don't worry if when you get them they look a bit odd. You take that off before you make them up, and they are then gorgeous. So you get 8 of those. You get 2 each of the Night of Navy, Pool Party, Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight and Old Olive. So you get all of this cardstock, and that's full size A4. You then get 3 sheets of the smooth Whisper White, so perfect for stamping. And again, that's A4. You then get a yard each of the mini chevron ribbon in Old Olive, the double stitched in Daffodil Delight, the Calypso Coral Ombre, I've only got a small piece left, and the Night of Navy gingham. You also get a half pack of the clear faceted gems. In the January box I did the gold faceted gems because it was a gold theme. For this, these are perfect for the centres of flowers, and they're just pretty anyway, so half a pack of those. There are add-ons again, and some of you did take the option for add-ons last month. So you can have the Hello Easter, which is a photopolymer, which is available at £15. The You're Inspiring, which is red rubber, which is wood at 24 or clear mount at 17. And the Ruffled Dynamic Textures Impressions embossing folder, which is £9. So if you want to add any or all of those, then that's the way, you know, that's possible. You just let me know when you email me and I will add those on for you. If you take any two of these, so either the Ruffled and the, say, the Hello Easter, that will qualify you for a level 1 celebration item in addition. So obviously if you do take two of these, then let me know and I will just let me know which celebration item you would like of the level 1 celebration items, and I can pop that in your box as well. The boxes without the additions will be posted out first class Royal Mail because they go in a large letter box, and as ever they will be beautifully wrapped with tissue paper in my signature floral envelope, and as I say, delivered first class. If you opt for any of the add-ons, I have found that they won't then go large letter, but I will make sure that they get to you. I'll either go second class Royal Mail or Hermes, but they will certainly get to you. It will just be a slightly different and therefore slightly longer route. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Do let me know if you would like to reserve your box, and remember that if you take any of the additions, you get to have a celebration item as well. So any queries, any questions, let me know. Either comment in the box in the comments below, contact me through my blog, or email me at liz.yuille@artlover.com. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye!